So we're in our vSphere client server. That's plab vc01. Let's go ahead and minimize server manager here. Let's log into our vSphere client. Let's go into host and clusters. Okay. So right now we are in the hosts and clusters page and plab ESXi is selected. We're going to move over to the configuration tab. We're going to go down to the software section and select DNS and routing. Notice that we don't have a preferred DNS server. So we're going to go ahead and click on properties to add one. We're going to change from localhost to plab ESXi. Our domain is practicelabs.com. And our preferred DNS is 192.168.0.1. And we'll configure it to look for hosts in the practicelabs.com domain. And we'll go ahead and click on save. So now our information is updated for DNS and routing. Keep in mind that 192.168.0.1 actually refers to our domain controller. I'll jump into it right now. So this is plab DC, and that's the IP address for it. Let's jump back into the VMware. Let's jump back into the software section and click on authentication services. Notice that no domain is specified under the domain settings section. To add our server, we'll need to click on properties. Our directory type will be Active Directory. Our domain is practicelabs.com. We'll go ahead and click on Join Domain. We'll enter the admin credentials. We've now joined the domain. As you can see, practicelabs.com is now displayed. Let's go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, it shows the directory service type as an Active Directory, and our current domain is practicelabs.com. We're back on our domain controller. We're going to open up ADuct. Let's click on Computers. Notice that plab ESXi is added to our domain. We're back on plab VC. I've clicked on Home. Let's go down to Management and click on Host Profiles. Right click anywhere in the left pane and select Create Profile. We're going to keep the default Create Profile from existing host and click Next. Let's expand plab VC01, expand London, and select plab ESXi and click Next. We will name this plab_profile and click Next and finish. So it's building our host profile right now. Our host profile build is complete. Notice if we go back to the left pane of host profiles, we now have a tab for a plab_ profile. So we're going to click home on the address bar. Inside of the inventory section, let's click on host and clusters. So we're going to add a second host to this cluster, so we'll select London, right mouse click, add new host. So our new host is going to be plab ESXi. I've already put in the admin credentials. We'll go ahead and click next. We will acknowledge this security warning. Next. We'll leave the license defaults and click next. We'll keep these defaults and click next. VM location is London. We'll click next and finish. Our host is being added right now. As you can see, it shows as disconnected at the moment. All right, so the configuration is complete, and plab ESXi, it now shows up as one of our hosts. Let's click on Home. Let's go down to Management, Host Profiles. Let's right mouse click on plab profile and select Attach Host Cluster. Let's expand plabvc.practicelabs London. Let's select plab ESXi and select Attach. Then click OK. So let's go back to the left pane and select plab profile. Then click on Host and Clusters. Notice that plab profile is now attached to plab ESXi. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and thanks for watching.